Morning traders, CJ here. Just another recap video on Euro Yen. Entered this position yesterday, managed to bank 0.5% on it. I was looking for price to breach the 128 key level and retest yesterday's high, which was now the 22nd, which was this high here. We had failed to break on the first attempt here, but we had a push to the downside, but not with with any real conviction. So I couldn't see that there would be any volume to push price lower. So you can see that this was just a quick intraday position. If I drop down to the 15 minutes, you can see that as soon as I entered the position, a little bit of drawdown, a little bit of indecision, and then we smashed through the key level and had a body close above 128. You can see it was a tight stop of 12 pips. So as soon as we did that, I pulled 50% out the position and put my stop loss to break even. And unfortunately, maybe a little bit of manipulation in the market, but you can see that as soon as that happened, we had a massive sell-off and would have stopped me out even if I hadn't closed my position. But now look at it, out off the screen now. You can just see the strength that has come through, and that's frustrating because this was only just a short move. And I wasn't expecting this erratic behavior. Once we were here, I was just expecting sort of price to mingle around this region and then go. But you can see that we just had that deeper retracement before a huge push to the upside. Obviously, this is why it's really important to look at the overall trend, because you can see this is obviously some old technical analysis, but you can see that it's clearly in an uptrend. You can clearly see we're moving upwards. We had that inverse head and shoulders. You can see that we had broken the neckline, come back down, retested this neckline, you could say, potentially, if you line it up a little bit cleaner, a little bit of corrective price action. Well, you can see that we've now pushed through, and clearly looks like if we can sustain this, we are going to knock out this high and create a new high on the daily. But yeah, still managed to bank profits as everyone did in the group. So any day, it's a blue day, is a positive day. But it is frustrating when you look at a position like this, and it could have been if I managed it better. This was a quite a not the best risk to reward, but it could have been looking at well, we needed a better stop, but yeah, it could have been a bit better, but unfortunately it is what it is. Let's see what today brings.